Well, I know that I said that I would be recording more videos more frequently because I was going to be home because I have this lovely little contraption on. Well, that hasn't happened, but I got something in the mail the other day and I was so excited that I just had to make a video and share this with you. You've seen me do unboxing videos before and you've seen me open mystery boxes before, but never have I ever gotten a mystery box from this company. And this is a big one. You need to stick around so you can see what's inside and who it's from. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to a new video. And like I said, yes, I had planned on making all of these videos, and actually I do have a lot of them filmed, I just haven't been able to edit them. This I had to make an exception for because I was so excited. Number one, when I found out about this mystery box, and number two, when it came in the mail. And even though I have been so tempted to open it, I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it so you could see what my true reaction is when I open this. Did you know that Equiline has a mystery box? Yeah, Equiline has a mystery box. Actually, they have several. And this is one of their mystery boxes. I'm actually balancing it on my knee because it's rather large. Let me tell you a little bit about the Equiline mystery boxes. If you're not on Equiline's email list, I highly encourage you to get on their list. That was how I found out about their mystery boxes. And at the time of recording this video, I actually just went and checked to see if they still have them, and yes, they do. Their mystery boxes start at $75 and they go up from there. So they have a $75 mystery box, a $100 mystery box, a $200 mystery box, and a $300 mystery box. Do you know which one I got? Yeah. I was like, go big or go home, right? So I did get the $300 mystery box. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, that is a lot of money. And yes, it is. It's definitely a lot of money. But have you looked at the prices of the Equiline products? They're really expensive. And on their mystery boxes, they go up in value. So the $75 mystery box has a value of $100. The $100 mystery box has a value of $200. The $200 mystery box has a value of $400. And this big guy, the $300 mystery box, has a value of $750. So to me, it just made sense. Just go for it, right? It's Christmas time. Actually, today is Black Friday. When you're going to be watching this, it's going to be Saturday. So if you're familiar with Equiline or the quality of the products that they have, their products are incredible. They really last. I have a couple of pair of their breeches and they are awesome. I've never had a Equiline saddle pad or a bonnet, basically nothing for my horse. So I set out with the intention of hopefully getting a few items for my horse. Yes, obviously I can't ride right now, but it's wintertime and right now it's like 20 degrees outside. So this is not that big of a deal. But this spring, when I can ride, hopefully this box will have a couple of things that I can put on my horse. So I told you a little bit about the box, told you where you can find it. Now let's see what is inside this box from Equiline. This is easy for me to do because it's on the ground and you can't see what I'm seeing. And this is so awesome. Okay, that is pretty beautiful. Wow. What a beautiful saddle pad. That is so pretty. Okay, this saddle pad is really nice. This is the Equiline air control system. And on the tag, it says the ACS squared or ACS2 saddle pad is the result of rigorous research worked out in collaboration with Michael Robert and the Equiline team riders. This special combination of materials has been developed in order to assure a deep transpiration and best shock absorbing effect. The ACS2 system is the result of the care and attention that Equiline dedicates to all of its products in order to grant the maximum quality, comfort, and performance. So it is a shock absorbing saddle pad, and it is beautiful. And it even has the little Equiline emblem on the back of the saddle pad. And it really is cushiony, so that's awesome. It's really soft on the underside, and that pattern on the pad itself is very, very pretty. And to go along with the ACS2 saddle pad, I got a matching ear bonnet. And again, it has the Equiline emblem. It's very nice. It's like a chrome button on the front of the bonnet. And the ears are made out of a really stretchy material, which is nice. It's a knit material. And it has the 3 horses on the side. So the Equiline logo is on the side of the ear bonnet, one of the ears. And it's a really nicely crocheted bonnet. This is so nice. So nice. Oh my gosh. So not only did I get an Equiline saddle pad, but I got an ear bonnet as well. And it matches. Very cool. Now the price tags have been removed from these 2 items, but I was looking on Equiline's website and they have like a combination set. So if you get a saddle pad and the matching ear bonnet, it's $230. So let's just say for argument's sake that this, if I bought it, would be $230. So that's pretty good. Out of the $300, 230 of it's right there. And that's not the only thing in this box. So let's continue. Oh my goodness, we have another saddle pad set. Look at that. That is so pretty. And I don't know if I showed you before, but this is the jumping or close contact style of saddle pad, I believe. It looks like it is. I think that was what I told them I rode. So I'm pretty sure that that is the close contact or all-purpose version. I don't think that's a dressage pad. So again, this is the ACS2 air control system. So the saddle pad, super pretty. It's gray, kind of a light gray, and then it has a navy blue edge around it. It's got the saddle pad and the matching ear bonnet. Now this ear bonnet is a little bit different material. It's kind of stretchy, but it looks like it's really lightweight, and it has the Equiline logo on the saddle pad as well as the matching ear bonnet. It's shock absorbing, and so I'm hoping that means it's going to be really comfortable to my horse, and it looks really nice too. I think that will complement him very well. And now, not only did I get 1 Equiline saddle pad, but I got 2, and 2 matching ear bonnets, so I totally can be matchy-matchy. So again, no prices on this, so let's just say $230 because that's what the combination sets are on the Equiline website. So $230 and $230 is $460. So I've already gotten more value than what I paid for the mystery box. And there's something else in the box still. Oh my goodness, this is gonna look so pretty on Timon. This is a polar fleece cooler. Let's see if I can stand up and show you how awesome this is, how big it is. It's very large. So there is a tag on this one, and it says that it is $249, and it's the Equire cooler. It's a Pile Polar Tech polar fleece rug. It's in size extra large, and the color is Tempest. The material is really nice, and it has a really nice binding around the edge. I also like that it's got the Equiline logo on the back side, hind end side of the cooler. It says it is 100% polyester. You can wash it, it looks like, and it says no drying, and of course no ironing. And like all of the Equiline products, this was made in Italy. This is such a cool mystery box. Now, like I said, they do still have them right now at the time of me posting this video. They do still have mystery boxes available on the Equiline website. So I am going to leave a link in the description box in case you want to check it out for yourself. And like I said, it starts at $75 and it goes to $100, then to $200, then to $300. And in those 4 choices, you have the option of either getting stuff geared towards the rider or items geared toward the horse. Now, if you go the more expensive route, then you're going to get several more things like I just showed you. And if you are going to do this, make sure you put some specifications in their instructions box. They have a special instruction box on the checkout page. And for example, I put on mine, I put, for the mystery box, my horse is 16 hands tall. He wears a size 81 blanket. And for myself, I wear a size blank. I'm not telling you what size pants I wear at Equiline. And then I also put in there, if it is all possible to request my preference, I would love to be able to choose the box that included the horse items. Because like I said, I have a couple of pair of breeches. I don't need any show shirts or socks or anything like that. And I think that's what they had for the rider. I wanted stuff that was geared towards my horse because every time I've gone to the Equiline website in the past, I haven't been able to find what I've wanted as far as like a saddle pad or a bonnet, which is okay because now I have two of them and they are totally matchy-matchy. I'm so excited. I have never seen Equiline do anything like this. Maybe they have in the past and I just never knew about it, but if you are looking to get your hands on a few Equiline things or even just one Equiline thing, or you know somebody that would love something like this for Christmas, this would be an excellent time to check them out and see what they have to offer. They have really nice products for horses and for riders. So go check out Equiline, and I'm hoping that I'm going to have another video for you really soon because I'm recovering very well. I've been a good patient. I've been following the instructions of my doctor, and I only have a couple of weeks left in this sling. So hopefully I will be back to normal soon. I still won't be able to ride for a couple of months, but that's okay. It's winter time and I can do other things with my horses, not just ride them. I have become very adept at cleaning a stall. Maybe I should make a video and show you how you can clean a stall with one hand. I can do it and I can show you how.